Hi guys, my name is Asta and today I'm going to talk about a Dhamakedar launch which is MAC's collaboration with Shreya Jain. I've been following Shreya since forever now. I think I was in my first year of college when I first started watching Shreya Jain, and to see her grow and develop as an influencer, it's amazing. It's so inspiring. Shreya Jain is such a beautiful person inside out, as I get from her video, and it's completely mesmerizing to see what she's achieved today. Congratulations to Shreya and congratulations to everyone behind this amazing launch. Once we have said that, let me tell you there are 3 kits that MAC has launched in collaboration with Shreya Jain. And first is the Lal Ishq kit, the second one is Tere Naina kit, and the third one is called Desi Girl. So MAC products are of course costly, but if you've been wanting to try out MAC products, then these kits are an amazing way to start. So my package came today itself. I ordered it from Nykaa. So this video is not sponsored and I wasn't sent this kit in PR. I bought this kit from my own money. I've not even opened the package because I wanted to do it on camera. So let me open the package. Now I ordered the kit Tere Naina because the other 2 kits were already out of stock, and secondly the reason was that in this kit Tere Naina there is a liner, technical liner by MAC, and I did not have that liner. Rest, I think all the other things I already have by MAC, so that's why I didn't want to go and purchase it again. I already had the lipstick Soar with me, but still I really wanted to support Shreya and I really wanted to have the feels of this kit, and that's why I went ahead and purchased the kit. So I also have a surprise waiting for you guys by the end of the video. If you got the hint, yes, I have a surprise for you all, so please watch the video full, and yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna open the package now. Firstly, Shreya looks stunning. Like, wow, her eyes, her lips, her entire makeup is so stunning and it completely shouts festive. I'm totally in love with this package. I think I'm gonna order the other kits as well just because the package is so cute. So I'm gonna talk about the kit Tere Naina and then swatch everything that's inside the other 2 kits. The front of the package has Shreya Jain's picture. It says MAC Get Festive with Shreya Jain. I'm guessing this is Shreya Jain's signature, and the back of the kit contains all the details about the products inside. Like, they will mention the ingredients of the lipstick, the kohl, and as well as for the strobe cream. So yeah, let's open it. So yeah, okay, yeah. This is the lipstick, this is the strobe cream, and this is the Technicolor eyeliner. Lipstick is in full size, the kohl is in full size, however the strobe cream is a sample size. The size of the sample is the same that you get with MAC products when you order from Nykaa. Like, this is the one that I already have, and this is the one that came with the kit, so the sample size is literally the same. And the MAC's lipstick Soar, this is from the MAC's Art Library collection. And then we have the liner, the Technicolor liner by MAC. Now I personally think that Tere Naina is the best kit amongst the 3 available. Why? Because the Lal Ishq kit has got a lipstick and MAC Fix Plus. The kit Desi Girl has 3 lipsticks, MAC Captive, MAC Russian Red, and I think MAC Whirl. But this kit, it has a lipstick, it has a kohl, and it has a strobe cream. I think a lot of women, especially in India, wear a kohl and a lipstick on a regular basis. So I think this is a very, very good kit to have, especially if you are someone who wears a kohl and a lipstick on a daily basis. It's got one full-sized lipstick which costs 1700 rupees. It's got one full-sized kohl which costs 1450 rupees, and a sample size of a strobe cream. So, and I paid 1900 rupees for this entire kit. So obviously a steal deal totally. Wow, this is an amazing shade. This is one of those MLBB shades that you can wear with so many looks. It looks stunning on almost all the skin tones. I am MAC NC42 and it looks stunning on my skin. I think this is gonna complement so many skin tones, and I think this lipstick actually looks better with my look. Even if you have like kohl rimmed eyes and you wear this lipstick, this is gonna look stunning, believe me. This is one of those daily wear shades that you can wear everywhere. You can wear this to office, where you can wear this to college, you can wear this for a normal outing. This is how the pencil looks, the Kajal pencil or the technical liner looks. It's a beautiful jet black shade. Let me swatch it for you. So this is how it looks. It's a very beautiful creamy formula which goes on very easily. Let me swatch the stroke cream as well. So very quickly we will go through the swatches of the contents of the other two kits. I don't have the kits, but I do have all the contents with me, so I just thought I'll show you the swatches in case you've been wanting to purchase it. So this is how MAC Ruby Woo looks. MAC Ruby Woo is MAC's Retro Matte formula. This is a super matte lipstick, so make sure that your lips are properly prepped and primed before you apply this. Otherwise this might dry out your lips, especially if you are someone who suffers from dry lips. So make sure your lips are primed and prepped and all ready for this amazing super ultra matte lipstick. So the reason why you need a MAC Ruby Woo in your life is this: it looks good on everyone on every occasion. If you have never tried MAC Ruby Woo, it's a sin, it's a crime in the makeup world. I mean, I'm just kidding, but you should totally go and try this. And MAC's Lal-ish kit is a great way to, try this lipstick. This is an amazing lipstick to have in your collection. If you're someone who loves red lipstick, then you totally deserve to have this lipstick in your kit. And the other thing in that kit is MAC Fix Plus spray. I have the full size bottle. I believe the Fix Plus which comes in that kit is not the full size. It's like the mini size one. Let's just spray it on because why not? So if you've ever felt like your makeup's looking too flat, your makeup's looking too powdery or dry, totally spray this on and then you're gonna see the difference for yourself. It immediately just puts so much of life back into your skin, so much of life back into your makeup. Your makeup starts looking lively again. MAC Fix Plus is again a must-have product from MAC and you should totally try it out. So next we will talk about the Desi Girl kit. Now the lipsticks included in Desi Girl kit are Russian Red, MAC Captive and MAC Whirl. And I'm gonna swatch all the three for you so that you can have a look for yourself how it looks. And yeah, let's go ahead. MAC Whirl for me is a perfect MLBB shade. Now please remember that MAC Whirl can look differently on different skin tones. The shade appears different on different skin tones. Like for example, if you have a deeper skin tone, this might look nude on you, and if you have lighter skin tone, this might look more pronounced on you. Nevertheless, this is a beautiful shade and one of the best sellers from MAC. If you're a lipstick lover like me, then you need to have this shade in your collection. This particular lipstick, this particular shade can lift up an entire look so quickly and so effortlessly. Just have cold rim dyes in this shade and you're good to go. Now talking about the next shade, which is MAC Captive. Now as you will notice that MAC Captive is definitely a little deeper than Whirl. It's got some pinkish undertones to it, and this looks lovely on all skin tones, especially when we talk about Indian olive skin tones. This particular lipstick Captive will be loved by all. Like for deeper skin tones, Captive can be an MLBB nude shade, but for lighter skin tones it can again come out as more plum. So remember, this is one of those shades again which can look different on different skin tones, but then nevertheless beautiful, amazing shade to have in your collection. Now next shade we have is Russian Red. Let me apply it. So as you can see, another stunning shade from MAC. MAC Russian Red is again one of the cult favorite shades from MAC, and this is a slightly more deeper and like a blue based red. This is gonna look stunning on all skin tones. I in fact have a complete video in which I've talked about the best 10 red lipsticks from MAC, and I've swatched Ruby Woo as well as MAC Russian Red side by side as well as the other 8 lipsticks. So if you're interested, I'll link the video above. You can totally go and check out that video. You will get to see the swatches on my lips as well as on my hands of all the 10 red lipsticks by MAC that I've covered in that video. hand swatches of everything that are there in these 3 kits, and I've put them by the end of the video, so make sure you watch the complete video. I think for the first time MAC has actually come up with kits where the combined prices of the individual products in the kit is more than the price of the kit itself, so the kits are really affordable. You should totally go ahead and try whichever kit that you're interested in. My favorite kit is definitely the Tere Naina kit, and yeah, I already have the MAC Soar lipstick and I got another one in this kit. So I will be giving away one of these lipsticks, and all the details of the giveaway will be mentioned in the description box down. So I think that's all I had to say. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because it really encourages me to make better videos. And if you have anything that you'd like to tell me, please leave a comment below. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.